When you done with stream, bet. I go check. I hate this damn map, bro. Why did we have to start up with this shit, bro? I'll go, y'all. Gosh damn it, bro. Oh, fuck. What the fuck is this with the helmet on? Like, bro, that's what I be getting grabbed by random, like, bro. Alright, bro. It's like, bro, it be people that just be joining that be grabbing me and shit, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? And I just fucking fail! I'm blaming that on whoever was fucking grabbing me before I died. Whoever was grabbing me, bro, I'm blaming that on you. Let me find you real quick. You with the fucking helmet, bro. It was it was this one. Lucky, bro, I'm blaming that on you. I died because of you, bro, so it's your fault. I didn't die on my own. You kept fucking grabbing me. That little ass helmet on your fucking head, bro, it's your damn fault, bro. How did you die? Cause the dude with the fucking helmet kept grabbing me, bro. That's how I died, bro. Yo, King Slot, appreciate that follow, bro. Pink Ramoni, appreciate that follow. I got you. I'm finna accept your request right now, Cookie. Hopefully it pop up, bro. Damn, I gotta go through all these people, bro. Why didn't just accept it when I tried, bro? Among Us got killed too? I thought it was the dude with the helmet, bro. I was getting grabbed by a fucking dude with a helmet, bro. The Among Us dude don't got a helmet on. Oh, this shit gonna take forever, bro. Let me try to speed through it. Let me see, chat. Hold on, man. Not gonna lie, you hella entertaining. Hey, appreciate that game. Hold on, let me move my mic back. Appreciate that game. Add you on Xbox? Alright, man. I'm gonna just have to do that, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this list is too damn long, bro. I can't even find your name, bro. It's too many damn. It's too many. Too many requests, bro. I'm gonna just add you on Xbox, bro. I got you. The Among Us dude die. I'm leaving, bro. Plot a new one this Friday. What did he do? Chat, y'all still ain't. I mean, not chat, but what's the name? Mar, you still ain't explaining to me how he was a fucking dick sucker, bro. I'm gonna just add you on Xbox, Cookie. I got you, bro. I'm finna just add you on here. Oh, I put that shit in wrong, boy. Hold up. Wait, Cookie Road, do you play on? Wait. Hold up, bro. Want Kel to recognize him so bad for cool points? Kick him. We been said kick him. How often do you stream? I stream every day, bro. I stream every day, bro. With big shots, it's the shit where the little thing be coming out the cannon and shit, bro. When stuff be coming out the cannon, bro. That's what it is. Put your mom on the stream. I'ma raise her up, bro. Scary Toast. You don't want me to beat your fucking ass? Like, I'ma really do it, bro. I'ma really do it, bro. Oh, alright, bet. Kick this Among Us down. Who would the Among Us dude? Ain't that fucking Maury? The fuck, man? Chill out, they trolling you? Bro. anyways though, y'all, chat, like I was saying, chat, everybody that's in the stream right now, chat, if y'all haven't hit that follow button, y'all new, chat, make sure y'all hit that follow button for me, chat. I stream every fucking day, man. We stream every day, chat, and I do customs all the time, bro. So if y'all new to the stream, y'all haven't hit that follow button, chat, and y'all fuck with the stream, man, make sure y'all hit that follow button for me. Real shit, chat. Appreciate y'all, bro. It's 510 W stream. Appreciate that, bro. Play a scary game tomorrow. I got you, bro. I got you. I got you. Mari died first round. Hello. 10 out of 10, best Fall Guys stream I've seen, no cap. But that shit just made me feel good, bro. Hey, Gamer Live, real shit, bro. Thank you, bro. Real shit, bro. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, man. Real shit, though. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, man. Everybody spending fucking dust in the chat for that boy.